All right, today we're going to be looking at angle relationships when it comes to parallel lines and transversals. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is what is a transversal. A transversal is any line that intersects two lines at two different points. So that is the important spot. Our important thing is that it is at two different points. We're not looking at like three lines intersecting at one point, okay? So corresponding angles are angles that are on the same side of the transversal and in the same position. So an example here, like angle 1 and angle 5. We could do like angle 2 and angle 6. We could do angle 3 and angle 7. And then we could do like angle 4 and angle 8. Those are all corresponding angles because they map to each other on the different lines across the transversal. All right, so alternate interior angles are angles that are on opposite sides of the transversal. So like one would be above, one would be below, and they are inside the lines, and they cannot be adjacent. So like 3 and 5, angle 3 and 5, those, angle 3 and angle 5, should say, those are both alternate interior. And then we have angle 4 and angle 6. Those are alternate interior as well. Next, we have same side interior angles. Those are angles that are on the same side of the transversal, and they're between lines R and S. So those, in this case, would be angle 3 and angle 6, as well as angle 4 and angle 5. Those are same side interior, so they're between the lines and they're on the same side as the transversal. And then we have alternate exterior. Those are angles that are on opposite sides of the transversal and they're outside the lines. So like angle 1 and angle 7. And then we have angle 2 and angle 8. Those are both examples of alternate exterior angles. All right, so at the bottom of the page here, we've got some examples. So angle 1 and angle 5, if you look, angle 1 and angle 5, I'm going to highlight those red. So angle 1 and angle 5, you see that angle 1 and angle 5 together form corresponding angles. All right. Then we have angle 3 and angle 6. I'm going to highlight those blue. Angle 3 and angle 6. Those, you see, are on opposite sides of the transversal, and they are between the two lines. So those are alternate interior. And then angle 2 and angle 7. I'm going to highlight those green, angle 2 and angle 7. Those are both alternate exterior. All right, now we have angle 6 and angle 8. So I like these yellow. You'll notice that one of those was already used, but angle 6 and 8 together, those together form a linear pair. And then angle 2 and 3. Notice how they are like across from each other. Angle 2, oh, wrong button there, sorry. Angle 2 and angle 3. Those are across from each other. They share a vertex and no other sides in common. So those are vertical angles. All right, that's it for our notes for today. Quick and easy lesson. If you have any questions, just give me an email or a Canvas message.